How to create your first AI image using Nano Banana. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Play Store and install Nano Banana app and open the app. Click on AI filter at the bottom. Then click on add an image. Add your image you want to create, and then at the bottom you'll find styles. Select the styles you want. After you've selected the style you want, press on number of generated. You can generate other quantity. I'm simply going to generate one and press on generate now. It will load. It will start generating your image. As you can see, waiting time 1 minute. After you do this, your image will be generated and you can download by pressing on download at the bottom left corner of your screen. And this is how to create your first AI image using Nano Banana. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.